What's up, y'all? It's your boy CJ Grind Time here, and I'm excited to bring y'all this super exciting scalping method today. Today, we're going to talk about the 1 minute scalping technique, the Bloods and Crips method, guys. I'm excited. This is my first Forex video, so bear with me. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited because, I just came up with this little method and technique, and I feel like this would be very valuable for beginning Forex traders, because as I am a beginning Forex trader, and be straight up with you. So as I learn, I will be sharing with you. And so this is going to be a simple, easy technique you can provide. You only need really 3 to 4 indicators, and I'll show you what my indicators are. So I have the daily high, daily low. I have a whole moving average. I have 3 whole moving averages. I have the 200, the 50, the 20. And I have the daily pivot points. And I have another regular moving average that's a 200. The volume indicator, you can use any volume indicator. That's no big deal. So if you would like to get these indicators and exactly what I use, be sure to watch this whole entire video, and I'll show you how you can get my template and the zip file with these indicators in it completely free. And if you're new to my channel, be sure to hit this like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit that bell notification for more updates and videos, because I'm going to be uploading videos on this channel about Forex marketing as well as CPA marketing. I mean Forex trading, I'm sorry. So let's get started. So what this is the Bloods and the Crips technique. And so the 200 moving average, which is this green one, we're going to call home base. We're going to call City Hall. This is the town and the territory. And the candlesticks are going to be the city folks and the neighborhood. If the 50 and the 200, the Bloods and the Crips, are above the 200 moving average, you're looking for a buy. If the Bloods and the Crips in the city is below the 200 moving average, you're looking for a sale. And so what I want to show you is a little technique that'll help you understand what direction your trade is going and when to buy. So I want you to pay attention to this candle right here. Right? See this candle? This is a long exhaustion candle. So when you see this exhaustion candle and the market goes sideways, if you place a trend line above and a trend line below, if the candlesticks and the market goes above this trend line here, then your trade's going in reverse and you're looking for a long. If the candlesticks go below this trend line here, then you're looking for a short. And as you see, wherever it consolidates at, wherever that long exhaustion candle is, right here. Oops. That long exhaustion candle right here, when it starts consolidating, you place your trend lines. And so on and so forth. These are short selling opportunities right here. So if the candlesticks break below this trend line, then we're looking for a sale. If it would have broke above here, then my trade would have been going in the wrong direction, and I would have at least been able to put my stop loss above here and knowing that I would have taken a short loss on my trade. And that's a simple, easy scalping technique that you can use and perform right now. So let's see this in live action. Let's find a setup. Let's get rid of some of this stuff. As you see, we broke above. So the market went in the other direction. So you would be looking for a buy in the market right now. And see, we're still in a downtrend, but these are support and resistance zones. So if it breaks above this resistance zone, then we definitely know that the trend's going in a different direction, which it clearly is going in a different direction. We're gonna wait for a setup though. Let's wait for a setup. Up, but we got the double tops, double bottoms right here. And we have a doji. And you never want to trade against the market, so we're not looking to trade the pullbacks, we're just looking to trade short. Gonna wait for this next candlestick to break. This next candlestick's gonna determine which direction we're gonna take our trade. See, right now the price is at the 200. It went to City Hall. The Bloods and the Crips are fighting. The citizens have gotten tired, so they went to City Hall, and it broke above. So we're gonna place a buy. There it is, y'all, in profit already. Like I said, consolidation point, trend line, above and below. Whichever direction it breaks, we're gonna place a buy and a sell. Now, I wouldn't recommend staying in these trades too long. Once they go on a profit, collect what you can and get out. See what it does. Let it run a little bit longer. Oh. Oh, trend's still going up. Oh, we got consolidation. At consolidation, we have another buy opportunity. Another buy opportunity right here. There it is. Remember, candle breaks above, it's a buy. Candle breaks below, your trade went in the wrong direction. Vice versa on a sale. I'm gonna wait for the next candlestick to break, and then after that, I'm gonna close my trades. Let's just ride this thing on up. Alright, we're gonna take profit. Alright guys, so that was the 1 minute scalping technique. You can try this on multiple time frames. Same thing, look for the setup. Alright guys, I hope this video was very informative and valuable for you. That was my 1 minute scalping technique, the Bloods and the Crips methods. Please, if this trading strategy was valuable to you, please hit that like button, hit that comment button below, and please subscribe to my channel. And also, if you want this template, please click the link below in the description, and it'll take you to a website that'll give you detailed information on how you can obtain this template with the indicators completely and 100% free. Later, guys.